Naghiwalay?
10 years. Apakatagal. Ano yung naging mitya kung bakit naghiwalay? Bakit kayo nag...
What is mitya daw in English?
Ay, Mitch.
What is
Mitya.
mitya in English?
I miss you. Mitya.
I miss you.
Meet you yun, meet you. I meet you. Ganun.
Slang daw, I miss you.
Islam. So, what happened?
I think, kasi kami ni Casey, when we were in our 20s, hanggang sa nung...
Gusto mo pa shine muna natin yung sapatos mo? Kasi walang ginagawa si MC tsaka sila. Gusto mo i-shine nyo muna to? Kasi kanila pa nila tinuturo eh.
Hindi kasi, okay. Nawala tuloy ako. Ano ba
When you
yun?
were in your 20s.
Okay. My God, nawala talaga ako.
Nandito ka pa, huwag kang
Studio,
magalala.
nasa studio ka ngayon.
Asan na ba tayo? Bakit
Bakit?
nag-
Oo, ano nag-trigger?
Okay,
Sabi
okay.
when you were in your 20s.
Oh, we were in our 20s and somehow, looking back, nung naisip ko na yung, di ba, parang magbago ka sa buhay mo, yung mga kailangan mong ayusin, kailangan meron kang awareness, no? So, you look back just to check kung ano yung nangyari, di ba? And I think we were better together physically than we were apart. So, dati kasi, laging magkasama kami sa pareho barkada namin, pareho yung work namin. Tapos, hindi kami naghihiwalay. Nagkaroon ng problem talaga nung, yun nga, I started working here again. We lived in
nasa
the
Amerika
States.
muna kayo
We lived in the
doon.
States. He followed me. And nagkaroon ng problem na nung physically nagkaroon ng distance. And he couldn't, of course, mahirap yun, di ba? Ako naman, parang, a part of me wants to sing. Parang, hindi ko naiisip na, teka muna, parang, huy, ano ka ba? Di ba, pamilya na lang, ganyan. Pero, yun nga, sabi niya sa akin one time, you were born a singer, a performer, and it was the only thing that I knew what to do. Diba?
So, nasa Amerika kayo, okay kayong dalawa. Tapos,
yeah. Even here,
gusto mong parang bigla mong naisip na gusto mong i-pursue ulit ang
Yeah,
singing
so I
kasi
came
mahal
back
mo
here.
siya. Kaya you needed to go back to the Philippines. And naiwan siya sa Amerika for...
Yes. And then,
How long? How long yung
ano yun, back
naiwan
and
siya sa
forth
Amerika
ako eh.
tapos...
Back and forth.
Actually, back and forth siya kasi una-una, you were sa States with Evan and dito ako sa Pilipinas. Tapos, I followed her kasi sabi niya, di ko kaya dito sa US. Kasi parang wala siyang lisensya, wala siyang trabaho
Wala akong trabaho.
doon.
Oo, yun eh.
Parang naka-lock lang siya sa parents' house ko, sa parents ko. So then I followed her sa States. Tapos sabi niya, okay, this is not for me. I'll go back to the Philippines to be a singer. So, okay, so she went back to the Philippines because ito yung buhay niya. Ito yung born a singer. So this is where she should shine as a star. So at that time, talagang hiwalay kami. And I don't know how the saying goes, pero 3 months, 6 months, maybe even longer. At that time, parang the feelings just kind of fade for me. And I think at that time, like, I don't know, parang it was just hard to communicate and...
So, meron siyang, yung parang yung tampo, naging parang, sama na loob. And then,
Tapos nawala na ng gana. Yung gano'n. Yung tampo,
we
tapos
tried.
nawala na ng
I
gana.
mean, he tried. I did not try hard. I felt like parang, syempre, parang, yun ang gusto na lahat ng tao, pamilya, di ba? Your own family. But, wala na tayong magagawa dahil nasa past na yan. And he's happy. And I'm happy. So, nga lang, walang jowa, pero okay naman. Kumakanta pa rin.
Alam, feeling ko nasa...
Trabaho pa din.
Pero choice naman
Feeling
yun.
ko nasa
Choice
Dabas
naman.
tayo. Nanonood ng Dabas. Di ba ganun sa Dabas? Yung may mga naghihiwalay, tapos ini-interview ng mahaba. Yung ganun. Bigla ako, feeling ko nasa Dabas ako ngayon. Parang hindi na to showtime.